Give me hugs. Oh, Angus. soil is amazing. Like it's just so soft, and I don't know what the right word is for it, but it just feels so good.
Fluffy.
Fluffy, yes, it's very fluffy soil. So yeah, I'm excited. I just said to Jamie I should lay down in this.
Here, I'll take the camera. Go on. Go lay down in it. You're a nut.
Winter is over. This is it. I love this time of year. You want to hang too? I'm getting hugs. Oh, Angus.
Well, that is awesome. That rototiller is great. So it's the Kubota RTR1266. So I believe that's 5.5 feet long. And I was a little bit worried that the 25 horsepower L2501 Kubota wasn't going to have enough horsepower to run a 5.5 foot long rototiller. But it seems to have done the job. And yeah, it's worked the ground up really, really well. Some of the ground that we worked up last year, it worked up perfectly, no issues at all. And then the kind of the virgin ground that was all grass, I did some too. And 1 or 2 passes of the rototiller, and it is good to go. I don't know if you could hear on the recording or not while I was driving by, but I said we better be careful. This is addictive. We're going to end up with the entire 2 acres full of a garden. So
might need subtitles for that part.
Yeah, this is a good sized garden I think for right now. It's our first year having a bigger garden. Quite the difference between this and the 2 raised garden beds that we had. So yeah, Nicola has some good plans, big plans for it. So we're looking forward to that. We also have another friend, her name is Tony, and so she's going to be using a little part of the land there to plant her vegetables. She lives in an apartment building, she doesn't have much room. So we said, oh, come on out and plant some vegetables. So yeah, so I guess that's it. So thanks for stopping in, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing the rototiller, and I know I'm excited. So yeah, the RTR1266. So if you enjoyed the video, if you think we've earned that subscription, hit that subscribe button, follow along on our journey. There'll be more videos to follow. Hit that like button. Until then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.